All right, so we are live now in yet another episode of Roads Untraveled by Ink That Matters. It's an honor and privilege to welcome Dr. Lenin Raghuvanshi to the show as the guest speaker. Let me give you a small introduction about our guest speaker today. Dr. Lenin Raghuvanshi is a Dalit rights activist. He is a political thinker. He's a social entrepreneur. And he's also one of the founding members of the People's Vigilance Committee on Human Rights, who works for the upliftment of the Dalit society. And his works has been recognized with awards like the Gwangju Human Rights Awards in the year 2007, the ACHA Star Peace Award in the year 2008, the International Human Rights Prize of the City of the Weimar 2010, and also a Special Mentions Prize of Human Rights of the French Republic in 2018, Public Peace Prize in 2018, and Karambir Maharatna Award in 2019. And there are many more such awards that Dr. Lenin Raghuvanshi has won, and this is just a few of them. And he's also got a place in the Wikipedia very recently. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो सर। विकिपीडिया में आपका मैंने देखा है कि गूगल में जब मैं आपके बारे में सर्च कर रही थी तो विकिपीडिया में मुझे आपके डिटेल्स मिल गए। बहुत बहुत बधाई। All right, so and people, I would request you, the audience, you can ask questions to Dr. Lenin, and I would go ahead and post your questions to Dr. Lenin and he will answer them. So let's start the show for the day. सर मुझे पहले ये जानना था कि हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी एज टू बिकम एन एक्टिविस्ट, वो भी आपने दलित सोसाइटी को सपोर्ट करने के लिए यू हैड स्पेशलाइज, सो हाउ डिड दैट जर्नी स्टार्ट?
You look, actually, this is very, especially from my family. My grandfather was freedom fighter and he was a Gandhian. And my father is communist, so for that reason, my name is Lenin. But I born in very upper caste families, and but there is very strong streams of to fighting back to British colonial states, and I'm the fortunate with the Gandhian grandfather and the communist father, because the and then what happened? My grandfather wanted to me into the Gandhian politics, and my father wanted to me into politics, and for that reason I never going to touch the politics because I don't like. I like the influence the politics but don't want to become the part of politics. And for that reason what happened, because my father was not very rich in starting off his life, and then I studied in the primary school, government primary school. And in the government primary school, only two kids belongs to upper caste, myself and one Brahmin. And except one boy from the OBC community, all drop out after class 8, and only one boy completed his graduations. And then I met with Swami Agnivesh, and the Swami Agnivesh brought me in the connection with the Nobel Peace laureates Kailash Satyarthi, and I rescued a lot of bonded labor, and I found that not a single bonded labor belongs to upper caste community. And then I started to study the Indian history, Indian books, and then I found Manusmriti and whole the history of RSS and how the RSS creating the Hindu fascist states on the base of caste and patriarchy. And then I decided, I born in upper caste, it is my jobs to create the reconciliations against caste system. And from there I decided to use all my knowledge, all my resources like a reconciliations to build this society, and also our contributions toward the making the real modern nation states of India.
Right. All right, sir. So, as you said, you started working with the Dalit community because there was a caste difference, when you were brought up in the place that you were brought up. So, do you also work with other minority communities, or it's only the Dalit community that you concentrate on? दूसरे minority communities बहुत हैं हमारे इंडिया में, तो वो भी उनके साथ भी आप काम करते हो या सिर्फ दलित कम्युनिटी ही है?
हमने मेरा उनके साथ भी काम है. If you are living in Banaras and studied in the Gurukul Kangri in Haridwar and understand the Hindu mindset, especially fascist Hindu mindset, then we are working with the Neo Dalit community. Neo Dalit community means women, especially from minorities and Dalit and OBC community and tribal, and the Dalits, tribals, and minority, and especially the Muslims in our.
Right.
So our organization also supporting 20 Muslims madrasas for the IT enabled education, as well as also we are supporting there for libraries and modern thought process and other things. So that is also very important, and also we are working on the pluralism and diversity, and for that reasons also we are promoting to understand people understand the real spirit of Islam. Just like in the morning, I wrote on my Facebook the last khutbah of the Rasul. So, which is important people to understand what is the real principle of Islam, not the fake propaganda at all. Because in South Asia, majority community in their countries creating a lot of the fake propaganda against the minorities for their own benefits and creating their own hegemonic masculinity and to control the minority through this process. So we are also working with the Muslims, and for that and for that regions, if you look, we call as the Neo Dalit movements, because Neo Dalit movements, we are fighting against caste system, but we are also fighting against communal fascism, and also we are fighting against the poverty. Means the neoliberal policy which is creating the gaps between have and have nots. So that is very important, and also we have understanding of different religions, we are telling in the Hindu religion, maybe Manusmriti, we don't like it, we oppose due to the caste systems and all. But inside Hindu religion also, you look there the Kabir, Raidas, and the whole Sufism, Nyay, Sank, Vaisesik, Lokayat, which is belief on the Shraman culture, means the culture of inclusiveness and all. And also inside Islam, if you look the how the Rasuls rescued the Bilal and give the eliminate the bondage system that time in the Arab.
Right.
So
Right.
that is very important people to understand. So it is also our work. Yeah.
All right, sir. If you see, probably in the minority communities or Dalit especially, people are told that your achievements are a result of your reservation. So, what do you have to say about that? They always, the minority community, people say that all your achievements or whatever, you have got, the quota or anything, that is based on your reservation, that you have in this country. So, what have you got to say about that?
You look what is the caste system and the patriarchy giving the privilege to the one section of society, especially the upper caste man, to control the all resources, all knowledge. So it is important, if you want to develop any society, you need to give the opportunity and dignity. And giving, if you want to give the opportunity to anybody, you need to give the affirmative action, which is very, very important, because a real development and the real achievement is going to happen on the basis what the people have the resources. So accessibility with the resources and developing their knowledge and the skill, this is also important for the life. And for that reason, affirmative action reservation is very important. And and many people are opposing reservation. But if you look why reservation came, because due to the patriarchy, due to the caste system. So if the caste system and patriarchy is going to remove, reservation is automatically going to finish. And also for the concept of diversity and pluralism, it is important. We need to bring different communities in any initiatives, which is very important. Like the team of the France become very successful. I don't know when the French president need to understand from there the whole concept of diversity and pluralism and the tolerance, which is very important because this streams belongs to the diversity and pluralism, and for that reason, this they become very successful team in the world. So diversity and pluralism is also very important. Opportunity is very important, especially for the historically marginalized community.
Right. So, what are the challenges that you've faced as an activist, both personally as well as professionally? How was your, family? Were they welcoming when you had become an activist, or what are the kind of challenges that you had faced or facing right now?
You know, yeah, yeah. Look, when I completed my bachelor in Ayurveda, modern medicine, and surgery, and when I joined the activism, it is not going to welcome by my mother because every mother wants to good life for his her son and daughter, so it is very natural. And my father is communist, so my father want to me into communist party, not into the civil society movement, non-political initiative. So he is also not very happy that time. And third is because I born in upper caste community, is very powerful family in this area, and we I started to live.
Right. We seems to have a small network issue, I guess, from the guest side. So Dr. Lennon should be here with us shortly. So if you go ahead and Google or research about Dr. Lennon Raghuvanshi, you will find a lot of information about him. He's not just you know an activist for fame. He is an activist for an actual cause. So here we are back. Right. Network issue, sir.
Hello, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Then what happened? And then also I received attacks from because we are supporting domestic violence, violence against women, and we are supporting the survivor of communal rights. We are fighting back to fascist forces. So we have a few times a lot of fake case against me. They attack on me, intimidated me. Once time they fired on me, and filed in many cases. But the most important thing, my family, especially my nucleus family, my father, my mother, both become my big supporters. They're proud on me, and the most another important things, my life partner, especially Shruti Nagmansi, she supported me and my son Kabir too. So that is the that is the strength what I receive in this 10 years, 15 years now. And but there is a lot of case, there is a lot of intimidations, lot of attacks. Already we are facing many cases in the court. So that is natural because you are changing the society and the co-status of the society, because we are challenging the patriarchy and caste system. Then certainly you are going to face. It is natural. We understand. Yeah.
Have you ever thought, sir, because आपने अभी बोला कि you had faced attacks or threats. Have you ever faced were afraid or scared or thought, okay, why I'll have to do all this? Probably हम safe रहें तो ठीक है family के लिए. Have you ever thought like that?
अब मैंने एक बार सोचा, मेरा मेरे मैं जिस गांव में पैदा हुआ हूँ, उस गांव में देयर इज अ बिग माफिया. हिज नेम इज ब्रिजेश सिंह. ही वाज आल्सो आवर फैमिली अंकल. उनके भाई थे चुलबुल सिंह. उनकी अभी डेथ हो गई. मतलब फिर भी मैं उन्होंने किसी बात पे नाराज हो गए वो. मैं मुसहरों को सपोर्ट कर रहा था, तो उन्होंने कहा कि तुम्हारा एक ही लड़का है जो है, अगर उसको कोई गोली मार देगा तब क्या होगा. तो दैट टाइम आई फेल वेरी पेनफुल इन माई हार्ट जो है. और
Okay, so this network seems to be having playing a lot. Every time that there is a live session, we had faced the same kind of a challenge even yesterday when we had gone live. A lot of challenges, in fact. But and today, I think from our guest side, there's been a lot of network issue, probably in his place. So as I was telling you about Dr. Lennon, yeah. So I guess he is back. Let me join him. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So so उस समय मुझे बहुत मतलब लगा था कि भाई बच्चे का क्या लेना देना, आप मुझे मार सकते हो, चीजें कर सकते हो। तो वो चीजें रही। फिर कुछ इस तरह कुछ इस तरह का फॉल्स इम्प्लीकेशंस करने की कोशिश की गई, उसमें बहुत दुख हुआ जो है मतलब। परंतु अब सवाल है कि अगर आप कोई बदलाव ला रहे हैं तो चीजें, परंतु मुझे कभी नहीं लगा कि पीछे हटना है। मुझे लगा नहीं और आगे लड़ना है। और जब कभी डर नहीं लगा, क्योंकि मुझे गांधी जी की ये बात हमेशा याद थी कि डर और हिंसा में से जो भी चुनना है तो जो है मतलब डर तो नहीं चुनना, और हिंसा भी मैंने कभी नहीं चुनी जो है मतलब जो है। और दूसरी चीजें थी कि जब मैंने जितने भी लोगों के, अपने बाबा की सबकी कहानियां सुनी थी जो है, तो वो लोगों ने बताया था कि अगर आपको बिना सेक्रीफाइस किए कुछ भी खड़ा नहीं कर सकते। और हमने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि जिंदगी तो सामान्य रहनी नहीं है, नॉर्मल नहीं रहनी है। सो इफ द लाइफ इज नॉट गोइंग टू द नॉर्मल, इट मीन्स you already choose the path for the of the courage. And the courage is very important, and courage is coming by the convictions and the passions, and
Right.
I'm very much convinced about that. So never afraid, never feared, but yeah, sometimes become very emotional, and which is also important because we are human beings
Yes.
too.
It is. And hats off to you, sir, for the kind of work that you're doing, for the kind of conviction that you have. Hats off to you. And moving on, I would want to ask you, sir, because you are social activist. There's a lot of things that you have seen in your life. So, what I wanted to ask you is, why is the caste of a person always, highlighted, whatever may be the case? A rape case or a threat case, whatever may be the case, if you see the media or the newspapers, always the caste of the person is being highlighted. Why is that incident itself is small, and the caste is highlighted more in the media? Why is that? Is it to create hatred among people, or why is that caste being highlighted? The incident can also be highlighted. रेप तो रेप ही है, for whoever it is happening, हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, क्रिश्चियन हो, किसी का भी हो, रेप तो रेप ही है, एक जैसा ही है। तो why is that caste being highlighted? What do you think about that?
Look, two things very clear, because the caste is the one reality of this country. We need to understand it is created 3,000 years before, and now it is changing, but it is also the reality. And because the Dalit people and lower caste people and the women both are claiming their rights, and for that reason, people who believe in hegemonic masculinity, जो लोग सत्ता को बनाए रखना चाहते हैं, जिन्होंने जात व्यवस्था द्वारा, पितृ सत्ता द्वारा सत्ता बनाई है, the people who receive the benefits from the hegemonic masculinity of the caste and patriarchy, those people want to give the lessons to Dalits. They want to give the lessons to the minority. Why they are against Muslim? For two reasons. Because the Islam is the first religion who
Okay, so we are back again.
yeah. So
Yes.
yeah, Islam is the one religion who come first time and give the social equality, space for everybody. And for that reason, the people who believe in hegemonic masculinity of caste and the patriarchy, they are against this religion. They are against those values. So caste is the one hand the reality. We want to need the caste system because the caste system of caste by Manusmriti, all women, According to Manusmriti, all women of all castes belongs to Sudras, and for that reason, and Sudras don't have the any powers for the educations and for the property, and for that reason, women's and Dalits and tribals and OBCs have less accessibility on the property.
Yes, sir seems to be having a lot of issues connecting back. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for that reason, actually, this caste is also highlighted. Caste is used as a tools to mobilize the people positively also, and caste is also tools which is created 3000 years to make a slaves to one section of the society. So caste is the reality, and caste is also linked with patriarchy in this country.
Accepted, sir. Caste is, as you say, the caste was, created 3000 years ago. Accepted. But जब कोई, दुख दर्द घटना होती है, तो ये caste बीच में लाने की जरूरत क्या होती है मीडिया को? Why is that caste, brought in between? ऐसे ही अगर वो news बोलेंगे, तो भी people are going to feel bad about it. If people want to object or people want to oppose, they will still do it. Why do you think that caste was, is always highlighted?
अब देखिए, वो मीडिया दो चीजों में डिवाइड है सुरेंद्र जी। एक मीडिया वो है जो घृणा फैलाना चाहती है, हिस्ट्री हेट्रेट फैलाना चाहती है। हम कह रहे हैं क्राइम हुआ है, इफ द क्राइम इज हैपेंड they need to highlight as a crime, and there is a human right violation, they need to highlight the human right violation. But they want to politics, because the media is also working for few political parties also in this country, which is very unfortunate, but it is also the truth. So and it is very unfortunate media is using as a cast as a tools to create the debate and discussions. Yeah.
Right. As we are talking about the caste being highlighted. I would also want to, highlight the recent, the Dalit girls rape case that had, caught the media's attention of late. इतना, हंगामा हुआ था उस केस को लेके. So instead of helping according to the media or according to the reports that we have got, instead of helping the victim's family or the victim herself, the people in power, including the politicians or the police people in the police force, they had humiliated that family and also humiliated that girl even after the death of that girl. So what is your take on that, sir?
No, you look rape. First, you understand. Hey, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah,
Hey,
sure.
Sute! 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah, sure.
1 minute. अरे सुते बंदर आ गया है, भगाओ। सुते बंदर आ गया है। So that is very important, because if you look why the rape is happening, rape is just a dominance of the man to control the body of women, and for that reason, in this country especially, the hegemonic masculinity of the man created by mind of caste and patriarchy. So if you look, when I was child, I observed in my rural areas, in my villages, how the upper caste people rape the Dalit women for the small amount of the grasses from their agriculture fields. They want to grass from their animals, and they sacrifice their bodies with the upper caste people. And nowadays there is a lot of empowerment and resilience among the Dalits and OBC girls and the people, and they oppose that. And for that reason, because they have these habits, and they are looking looking same system, and for that reason they want to give the lessons. I will tell you, I talk with some people who young people, why you want to tease the girls, why you want to attack on the girls. They told, no, they become more empowerment, better than the boys. So they want to make women, actually women and the girls and the Dalit people, they work very hard and they create their situation. And due to their empowerment, due to their empowerment, this upper caste man want to give the lesson. And the Hathras, this Hathras incident, if the absolute case of this, they you look, they raped the Dalit girls, killed her, and after that, they did not give the rights for her the last rituals of her body, and then um, uh, 10 villages of the upper caste people of the 10 villages come together, 10 गांव के लोग इकट्ठा होके हंगामा मचा रहे हैं, नार्को करो। नार्को नार्को जो है हमेशा एक्यूज का होता है, विक्टिम का नहीं होता जो है। और नार्को टैक्स को लेकर के देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रिपोर्ट्स कि इट इज अनसाइंटिफिक। सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड आल्सो। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज ये जो लोग ऊंची जाति के लोगों को अपनी मानसिकता बदलनी पड़ेगी कि हर इंसान बराबर है, समझना पड़ेगा, सबको अपने धर्म और अपने रिचुअल्स मानने की आजादी है, मानना पड़ेगा, औरतों को अपनी बराबरी में समझना पड़ेगा और उनको मौका देने की कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी। जब नहीं हटेंगे, हमें ये रेप की संस्कृति, जो कल्चर ऑफ रेप है, उसको हम खत्म नहीं कर पाएंगे।
सर, आप पीपल्स फाउंडर हैं, पीपल्स विजिलेंस कमिटी ऑफ okay, so there's another yeah, he is back. सर, मैं सुनाई दे रही हूँ आपको?
हाँ हाँ, आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
बहुत नेटवर्क इश्यू हो रहा है आज शायद।
Network problem is very here also.
हाँ।
A lot of network. Yeah.
ऑलराइट सर, मैं ये पूछ रही थी कि आप पीपल्स विजिलेंस कमिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स के फाउंडर हैं, फाउंडिंग मेंबर हैं, तो व्हाट स्टेप्स हैव बीन टेकन इस इश्यू में, बिकॉज शी वाज अ दलित गर्ल एज बीन हाइलाइटेड। सो इस केस के बारे में आपकी कमिटी लाइक हैज इट टेकन एनी काइंड ऑफ स्टेप्स टू हेल्प द गर्ल और द दलित पीपल इन दैट प्लेस? कोई स्टेप्स लिया हुआ है या लेने वाले हैं? What is the process that is happening?
नहीं नहीं, आपने ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने हमने सूचना, हम वहाँ पे उनकी फैमिली के संपर्क में हैं। देयर इज अ बदायूं में भी है, मुरादाबाद भी है, आवर टीम मेंबर्स, सो दे आर इन द कांटेक्ट। और हम लोग जो है, जब ये सूचना मिली और अखबारों में छपी और इनसे, तो वी आर द फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच इज हाईलाइटेड एंड कम्युनिकेटेड टू डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स। डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स को हम लोगों ने भेजा और हम लोगों ने नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन में ये केस किया था। और हम ही लोगों की और भी और संगठनों ने, जब ये बात हाईलाइट हुई, जैसे तिस्ता सतलवाड़ और इन लोगों ने इसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट।
Okay, so I guess there's okay, he's back.
तो उसको
Yes,
सुप्रीम
sir.
कोर्ट में डाला है और हम लोग और हम ही लोगों के प्रयास से हम जो आपने देखा होगा, प्रियंका गांधी और ये लोग जो गई थी,
जी।
फिर जब राहुल गांधी के साथ जो है जाती हुई, तो हम लोगों ने उसको भी नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन में डाला। हम लोग लगातार उस पे ध्यान रखे हुए हैं और बहुत ही जल्दी हमारी एक टीम वहाँ साइको सोशल सपोर्ट्स की जाने वाली है, जो है आपके नवंबर के सेकेंड वीक में। और क्योंकि हम कोई वहाँ कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट नहीं करना चाहते, ऑलरेडी उनको साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट्स के लिए अलग अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के लोग और ये लोग गए हैं। नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन को हम लोगों ने बोला है कि दे विल सेंड देयर टीम देयर। उन लोगों ने अभी चीफ सेक्रेटरी और डीजीपी को नोटिस किया है राष्ट्रीय मानवाधिकार आयोग ने। और दूसरी तरफ हम लोग इस केस को आखिरी समय तक देखेंगे, और मुझे अच्छी तरह मालूम है, मैं किसी पॉलिटिशियंस का नाम नहीं ले रहा हूँ यहाँ, पर एक दो पॉलिटिशियंस को मैं जानता हूँ कि वो इस केस को आखिरी साथ तक देखेंगे। और इसमें करीब करीब 10-12 ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और इंडिविजुअल्स ऐसे 22-23 लोग और भी लगे हुए हैं इस केस के लिए, कि इस केस में जब तक न्याय आखिरी जैसे निर्भया को मिला था नहीं मिलता है, तब तक हम इस केस की लड़ाई को हम लोग खत्म नहीं करेंगे। और हम लोग सेकेंड वीक से डायरेक्टली अपना वहाँ साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट्स और चीज़ों को देंगे, और लगातार हम संपर्क में हैं उनकी फैमिलीज के साथ। और वहाँ की जो सूचनाएं हैं और जो है केसेस ये कर रहे हैं, और इस तरह के जितने भी केसेस हैं, हम लोग करीब करीब 350 केसेस अभी रेप और खासकर मोलेस्टेशंस के जो महिला बच्चियों के साथ हुए हैं उनको हम लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। और मोस्टली ये जो है दलित और ओबीसीज और मुस्लिम्स के साथ है, परंतु अपर कास्ट बच्चियों के साथ भी इस तरह के जो केसेस हुए हैं, एक दो बच्चों के साथ भी हुए हैं, उनको भी हम लोग जो है साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट्स का, लीगल सपोर्ट्स का और सिक्योरिटीज का जो है मतलब की मदद हमारी समिति करती है।
पर यूपी में ऐसे बहुत सारे केसेस देखने को मिल रहे हैं कि ऐसे बहुत सारे रेप केसेस, या बिकॉज ऑफ द कास्ट सिस्टम इज दिस हैपनिंग, इज इट बिकॉज लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन? व्हाट डू यू थिंक सर, व्हाई इज इट हैपनिंग? क्योंकि मैंने एक आर्टिकल में पढ़ा था इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में, जिसमें डाला था कि बिकॉज लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन माइट बी द रीजन दैट यूपी इज फेसिंग, बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत सारे इंग्लिश पेपर्स आते नहीं हैं, और हिंदी में जो पेपर्स आते हैं उसमें पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के खिलाफ कुछ लिखते नहीं है। तो is that the reason why all this is happening? But that can be a reason or no? I want to know your view on this.
नहीं, अगर आप इफ यू लुक द मोस्ट, आई विल टेल यू द रीजन ऑफ द रेप इज बिहाइंड this the whole mind of patriarchy. So it is important, we need to educate the girls, eliminate the fear and phobia to create more resilience for them, as well as also we educate to the boys. They become the responsible human beings, and to understand the girls and the women are also the part of the human and humanity. And they need to be develop their arts of the life, how to deal and interact with the different sex, with more human and more sensitive way. So one important thing is the educations, not only the school, we need to start immediately into the schools, as well as also we need to lot of respect on the education of the girls, for giving the real empowerments to them. But on the other hand, we need to also invest on the boys to give the real non-patriarchal feminist understandings, pro-women understanding. They understand as a women and the girls as a human being, and which is very, very important. And another hand, it is a preventive. But as the curative way, we need to be, we need a speedy trial, a speedy investigation. On the name of the fast track court, the courts are putting cases for very long. So we need this speedy trial, at least minimum 2 years. We need to finish this case. Also, in the investigations, in the 3 months, we need to finalize and put the charge sheet into that. And also, we need a lot of trained psychologists and social workers and psychiatrists to support the families. And we need the witness protections and the victim protections law also, which is lacking in this country, because in the rape cases, if the perpetrators are very influential, they are threatening to the witness and the victims, and which is very dangerous.
सर, मैंने आपके बारे में पढ़ा है कि आप ऑथर भी हैं और आप बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स भी कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन मैगजीन्स को। लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बुक्स दैट यू राइट एंड व्हाट आर द बुक्स अबाउट? आप थोड़ा जानकारी देंगे उसके बारे में?
Actually, I wrote a book in 2000, which is published in 2012 by the Front Page publication, which is based in the UK, London, UK, and also in they have office in Kolkata. This book is actually about the Dalit after the independent India, and this book totally based on our grassroots level experiences. So it is not any big knowledge and anything. It is the knowledge inculcates from our works, what we learn from the working as earthworms on the grassroots levels to fertile the land for the better world. And so it's a very fantastic book. We describe about the testimonial therapies, living communities, also the feudal politics, caste-based politics, patriarchal politics. So this is my first book. Second book where I help, written by my life partner Shruti Nagmansi, in the collaboration of academician Dr. Rachna Kaushik. And the third book, our my contributions with published by Routledge, and which is written by jointly written by myself and Dr. Mohanlal Panda and Dr. Rachna Kaushik, and it is based on our experience of the model village in the Belwa. And this book, this chapter, one chapter we wrote, become the part of very prestigious book of the pedagogy of social work, and published by Routledge. And frequently I wrote in Hindi newspaper like online Janpat, my column Chan Bhotke. So I'm giving the real critical analysis, and the historical also perspectives in the favor of secularism and democracy. And I'm also part of Global India, where 6 universities of the India and 6 universities of Europe are part of that. So where also I'm giving the trainings to the PhD scholar students and also learning from them and different perspectives from the academicians. So and also I am the part of a a torture magazine, which is one of the best biomedical magazine of the world. So I'm also part of editorial board of that. So where I'm contributing to edit the some articles and giving my ideas to them. Yeah.
That's a lot of information, sir. So all your books are available for people to buy right now. It's available online. खरीद
It
खरीद
is
सकते हैं
available if
आपके
you are
books?
going Amazon. Yeah, yeah.
Sir?
If you are going to Amazon and try Flipkart and Amazon
Okay,
Learning
okay. It's
Residency,
available on
you are.
Amazon. All right. So, audience, the books written by Dr. Lenin Raghuvanshi is available on Amazon. So, in case you need to know what he thinks about and about the, philosophy that he truly religiously follows, you got to, buy his books and give it a read. Probably the future generation, might have a change of mind as to how to treat people, and probably the caste system might be abolished, though it is a distant dream, but it is not impossible. So that's what I think. सर, इतने सारे काम आप जो करते हो, what do you think is your part in the the people's vigilance committee? आपका रोल क्या है वहां पे exactly, as to how do you see yourself in the committee? Like,
मैं ये
all right, so we have a network issue again. So I'm sure Dr. Lennon will join us very shortly, and he is back. He's gonna be here with us any moment. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Thank you, Siri. I am actually PVCHR is a membership-based organization, 72,000 members, and also we have the 58 permanent full-time staff. So huge organization, and we have three offices: two in Banaras, one in Badaयूं in the western part of UP. And the PVC, I'm the one of the founder of PVCHR, and nowadays I'm the CEO of the PVCHR. So the convener and CEO of the PVCHR. So I'm just like a mentor nowadays to train near about 200 young people and to develop themselves. And I'm very happy because like Shruti and Srin Shabana Khan, Farhan.
All right. So we had actually spoken a lot about Dr. Lennon will be joining us now. So I thought I would just give you a heads up. Yes. So any moment now. I know this network is going haphazard during my live sessions. So Dr. Lennon should be here any moment. He's already here, but let's see, he should be joining in here. Okay, so the books I was talking about, you would have seen that I had just discussed the books written by Dr. Lennon, the philosophies that he truly believes in, and also the work that he does. He's written books on that, and also a few beliefs to create awareness among the people about the caste system in India. So I would go ahead and put up the link. These all the books that he had written is available on Amazon. So I will go ahead and put up that link in the comment section. So anybody who are interested or who wants to go ahead and have a different perspective of life probably can go ahead and purchase the books and take a read. Yes. Yes, sir. सर आप मुझे देख
Yeah,
सकते हो?
so yeah, I told
Yeah.
actually I'm the CEO of the organization, so I'm supporting and developing 200 activists actually nowadays. So I'm more busy with that.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, please continue. You're live, sir. You can continue. सर आपको सुनाई दे रहा है?
अब सुनाई अब दे रहा है.
ओके ओके. आज थोड़ा नेटवर्क का बहुत ही इश्यूज हो रहा है. I feel bad for Dr. Lennon. He is trying to keep up to the session. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we are developing here PVCHR. I am the CEO of this organization. So nowadays I'm more busy with the more sustainable organization and to develop 200 activists to work on the our vision, mission, and the goals. So nowadays I'm busy with that inside organization.
सर आपके इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में people from anywhere in the country can join, or is it only area specific, और जहां आप हो वहीं से ही लोग ज्वाइन कर
No,
सकते हैं या ऑनलाइन भी कोई भी ज्वाइन कर सकता है?
नहीं, ऑनलाइन कोई भी हमारा मेंबर बन सकता है। pvchr.asia इज आवर वेबसाइट, और pvchr.asia में, so we have the chapter in Maharashtra, we have the chapter in Jharkhand, we have the chapter in Uttarakhand. So anybody who believe in our philosophy, our vision and mission, and where we are very strict, कोई भी ज्वाइन कर सकता है हमको पूरे हिंदुस्तान में कहीं भी। और वी हैव आल्सो लिंक्स विद द इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक इंटरनेशनल रिहेबिलिटेशन काउंसिल ऑन टॉर्चर विक्टिम, फोरम एशिया बेस्ड एट द बैंकॉक एंड ऑल। और हम एरिया स्पेसिफिक जो है, हमारा एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जनमित्र न्यास, which is public charitable trust, which is working with the Musahar communities and the Muslim minorities, especially in UP, and also we are supporting in the Jharkhand and Uttarakhand. So that is another organization created by PVCHR. But the PVCHR, we have the chapter in Andaman, Nicobar, and everywhere. So anybody will join, just visit www.pvchr.asia, and there is a contact, so they will write us.
ये एक्चुअली मैं मेरे लिए पूछ रही थी सर, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम योर प्लेस, तो अगर मुझे ज्वाइन करना होगा तो विल आई बी एबल टू डू?
You will write on the pvchr.india@gmail.com, then our team will respond, our organization will respond, and you will join us, don't worry.
Definitely,
Anybody will
definitely
join
sir,
us.
definitely I will do that. सर, इतने सारे आपके बिजी शेड्यूल के बीच में आपको थोड़ा आपके लिए टाइम मिलता है क्या? व्हाट डू यू डू इन योर फ्री टाइम लाइफ? और या फ्री टाइम मिलता भी है क्या आपको?
नहीं, फ्री टाइम है, ऐसा नहीं है, फ्री टाइम है। आई एम वेरी बिजी, बट सभी बिजी है, बिकॉज माय लाइफ पार्टनर इज आल्सो social worker, so
Yeah,
she
I
is
know.
also very
I've
busy.
read about her
Or
also.
my father on the age of 80 is also very busy, working very hard. And my son, only one son, Kabir. So Kabir is also a snooker player, and he's
Yeah.
doing his MBA. He's so busy, but we are we are in the one home, one place. We eat every night, and we talk, and
That was actually a very light, very, to lift the mood that I had asked, that question. So, yeah, he is back now. Yes, sir.
सो हाँ, तो हम हमारे पास समय है, हम अपना समय निकाल लेते हैं। वी आर वेरी हैप्पी। और कभी कभी मतलब हम बहुत दिनों बाद हम और श्रुति जो है घूमने के लिए जो है गोवा गए थे पिछले साल 2019 में। अभी तो कोविड चल रहा है, तो कोविड टाइम मोस्टली टाइम आई मीन मतलब हर शाम मिल जाता हूँ, बट इन द नॉन कोविड टाइम वाज वेरी डिफरेंट बिकॉज मोस्टली आई एम फ्लाइंग ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड, so less interactions, but nowadays a lot of interaction। और खासकर मैं अपनी माँ से मिल लेता हूँ, she was ill, so और हम एक ही घर में रहते हैं, बहुत बड़ा घर है हमारा, और उसी एक घर में रहते हैं, तो सब लोग एक साथ रहते हैं, भाई और हमारे जितने भाई हैं,
That's
5
so
भाई हैं,
nice.
सब लोग एक साथ रहते हैं। तो जो है माँ की तरफ गार्डन है, तो गार्डन में जाना पड़ता है, a lot of beautiful trees, so माँ से मिलना पड़ता है, तो we are working in this way।
आजकल ऐसा देखने मिलता नहीं है, जॉइंट फैमिली के साथ यू स्टे एंड यू ऑल्सो व्हेन यू आर स्पेशली अ सोशल एक्टिविस्ट, यू बैलेंस योर वर्क एंड लाइफ। इट्स अमेजिंग एक्चुअली। आपसे सीखना चाहिए, जो भी ये प्रोग्राम देख रहा है सीखना चाहिए कि कैसे बैलेंस करें वर्क लाइफ। मतलब
देखिए, आपको मैं खुल के बता रहा हूँ कि एस्पिरेशन बहुत हाई रहता है, लेकिन अगर आप अपना नीड बेस मान के चलते हैं, मौका निकालने की कोशिश करते हैं, दिल आपका अगर खुश है, अगर उस रखने की कला सीख लिया है आपने, तो आप जुड़ते रहेंगे, मिलते रहेंगे। मैं मेरी माँ जो है, मतलब मेरा ऑफिस में मेरा उन्होंने एक इलाका दिया है जिसमें मैं ऑफिस में बैठता हूँ, तो मैं जाता हूँ तो वो हमेशा बैठी हुई मुझे वो पता है 11 बजे आएगा, तो वो वहीं से देखती है, तो पता है मैं करूंगा, नमस्ते बोलूंगा तो नमस्ते होगा।
दैट्स सो
फिर हम क्या है
स्वीट।
कि हर त्योहार को जो भी फेस्टिवल हो, किसी भी रिलीजन का फेस्टिवल हो, वो हम लोग जो एक साथ मनाते हैं। हम बकरीद भी एक साथ मनाते हैं, दिवाली भी एक साथ मनाते हैं, ईद भी एक साथ मनाते हैं। वो सब एक साथ आते हैं, मतलब जो है, मतलब तो एक साथ खाना खाते हैं, फूड शेयर करते हैं, एक ही चूल्हे में फिर घर में सबका बनता है। तो दैट इज द वे। बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन हम एक साथ करते हैं, ऑफिस में भी हम सब स्टाफ का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं। सो दैट इज द वे वी कनेक्ट ईच अदर्स पर्सनली टू।
राइट। सो आपकी फैमिली आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है, जो आपको इतना सारा कुछ करने के लिए हिम्मत देती है।
हाँ, हाँ,
सो दैट हैज
हाँ,
टू बी
मेरा
देयर।
मेरा परिवार, हाँ, या बिना उसके मैं नहीं कर पाता। उन्होंने पैसा दिया है,
राइट,
समय दिया है, जगह दी है, इज्जत दी
राइट,
है।
राइट। That was so wonderful, wonderful talking to you, Dr. Lenin Raghuvanshi. It was nice that you had told so many, things to the audiences. कुछ भी आप advice या कुछ भी आप कहना चाहेंगे sir to the audience as to anything that how they should
नहीं,
be, what they should do?
मैं तो पहले तो माफी मांग रहा हूँ, क्योंकि इंटरनेट जो है, ये ग्लोबलाइज भारत में इतनी हालत खराब है, उसके लिए क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ। और मैं दूसरा आपको बहुत, मतलब आपने जितना स्वाभाविक तरीके से, जितनी खूबसूरती से सवाल पूछे हैं और चीजों को मैनेज किया है, मैं उसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। इट्स
Thank you so
फैंटास्टिक।
much, sir. Thank
I
you.
understand you develop your art very fantastically, and I pray to natures and
Thank
my
you so much, sir. आपने
gods and
बोला
the
ये मेरे
tools
लिए बहुत बड़ी
give the
बात है,
more
बहुत बड़ी।
expensive। और मैं केवल ये कहूँगा लोगों से कि दो चीज़ें हैं कि अगर आप नास्तिक हैं तो आस्तिक लोगों को इज्जत करें, आप हिंदू हैं तो इस्लाम को समझने की कोशिश करें, इस्लाम है तो हिंदू को समझने की कोशिश करें, आस्तिक लोग नास्तिक को मदद करें, औरत आदमी की मदद करे, आदमी औरत की मदद करे। जातियों में हम बटे हुए जरूर हैं, परंतु हम एक दूसरे से रोटी का रिश्ता कायम करें, फिर बेटी का रिश्ता भी अगर कायम कर सकें, ये डावरी फावरी सब खत्म करें, तब हम शायद एक खूबसूरत भारत बना सकते हैं। और खूबसूरत भारत बनने का मतलब है कि बेहतर दुनिया बनने की जरूरत है। और ये
Right.
भारत में जो है हर धर्म के लोग रहेंगे और उनको रहना पड़ेगा। ये भारत पे को निर्माण में मुसलमानों का भी उतना ही योगदान है, नास्तिकों का भी उतना ही योगदान है, हिंदुओं का भी उतना योगदान है, क्रिश्चियंस का भी उतना योगदान है, सभी बुद्धिस्ट, जैन और सभी लोगों का। तो हमको बस यह है कि इस डिवाइड्स को तोड़ना है और हमें भारत के संविधान को के रास्ते पे चलना है, जो हमको सबको जोड़ती है, जो है, और दूसरों के प्रति पूर्वाग्रह की जगह दूसरों को समझने की कोशिश ज्यादा करें, और दूसरों की भावनाओं की कद्र करना भी सोचे, अपने ही थोपने की कोशिश ना करें। बस यही कह सकता हूँ।
Right. Thank you so much, Dr. Lennon, for giving us our time. Audience, this episode will be streaming on the YouTube channel of Ink That Matters. जिस किसी ने भी एपिसोड अभी लाइव मिस किया है, वो हमारे YouTube चैनल में भी जाके एपिसोड बाद में देख सकते हो कि डॉक्टर लेनिन ने क्या क्या बोला है, क्या क्या कितनी अच्छी बातें की हैं, स्पेशली अबाउट हैविंग दैट वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इन योर लाइफ and what gives him strength. मैं डॉक्टर लेनिन के बुक्स के सारे लिंक्स जो भी वो बुक्स क्या है वो देखना चाहता है, मैं कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल दूंगी. And also whoever wants to join the committee, Dr. Lenin's committee, he says anybody can join from wherever or whichever place you are. So उसका भी लिंक मैं डाल दूंगी कमेंट सेक्शन में. So you can just click that link and go join if you really have that faith in whatever Dr. Lenin believes in. अगर आपको भी उसमें उतना ही faith है, you can definitely go ahead and join hands with him in doing good for the society. Thank you so much, Dr. Lenin, for having joined in. आपसे मिलके बहुत बहुत खुशी हुई हमें. नमस्कार.
हमें भी।
And thank you so much, audience, for having joined in for the session today. It was a really wonderful session with Dr. Lenin, where he had, given us a lot of insights about what is happening, including the the Hathras rape case. We had discussed the Hathras rape case with Dr. Lenin today. So in case you have missed that episode or missed that section, I would request you to please head to the YouTube channel of Ink That Matters to go ahead and watch the entire episode for the kind of person that he is. Very down to earth, very rooted, grounded person, and yet he's been able to make or bring about a change to the society, which is what matters the most. You being a person looking after your family is not sufficient in today's world. You will have to look out for your neighbor, for the person. Every human life matters. So the caste system that is being deep rooted in India today, we will work towards this inch by inch, step by step, in taking off that caste system of India. Probably it is not impossible, but definitely caste system is there, as Dr. Lennon has told us. So with that note, and saying all lives matter, I would today end the session of Roads and Travel by Ink That Matters. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel on Ink That Matters, and also don't forget to watch the episode today on the discussion of the Hathras rape case. Thank you so much, and have a lovely Sunday evening.